Hello there. So, I'm cracking on with my Ubuntu. We're on week 4. So, now weeks 1, 2 and 3 I've found very easy to follow. Week 4, and I don't think this is the pattern, I actually think it's me. It's been a really hectic week this week and there's just so much going on. And I don't think I've necessarily had the headspace to get my head round this pattern. These are all my mistakes and bits of yarn that I've ripped off and so on in the last couple of nights. You can see I actually said to the girls yesterday in the office, both to Lucy and Amy, said, I just can't crack it. But I did think I was in a really foul mood on Sunday, and I'd sat down on Sunday and thought, right, I'm going to crack on and get this done today because I've not had a chance to pick it up. And it didn't happen. And it did, and like I say, I just kept making mistake after mistake after mistake. And I do think that can be a funny thing about crochet, that it sometimes actually does depend on your headspace at the time as well. And I just didn't have the headspace to do it at that moment. I have now, however, last night sat down and cracked on and I've mastered it. So there you go. I've done 3 of the 6 corner spaces. I'm still really enjoying this. It isn't a design I would necessarily have chosen myself. I don't think it wouldn't be so, and I would have chosen it. I love the design, but you know what, it's the colours probably. They're not necessarily my colours, but I love them. Look how pretty that is. Like I say, it has been taxing, but I'm really enjoying week 4.